This hand came up at the end of a really pleasant event that I've written about recently, and it made me wonder what to do on this hand. I had this rather nice 13 points. Partner's overcalled one spade. I don't know, because of the wide range of overcalling, how good her hand is or whether she's got 5 or 6 spades. So the question is, after East, not vulnerable versus our vulnerable, bids 3 hearts, what do I do? I don't know if 4 spades is making. I've only got 2. I do have 6 beautiful diamonds. I hate my hearts, but I hope partner will have a shortage in hearts. It sounds like it, because if West has 5 and East has 4, that leaves only 1 heart for partner at most. So is any bid that I make forcing or not? I hoped that my bid, which was 4 diamonds, would be forcing, but my partner felt that it wasn't. However, many people reached 4 spades. So I'm showing you the hand, assuming 4 spades was the contract. And yet, sure enough, partner had a singleton heart, 6 beautiful spades, and there's not much of a problem making 12 tricks, because our diamond suit might come home and our spade suit is so fabulous. So cover the queen just for fun, lose the heart. They continue hearts, so trump. And now the rest of the hand is simple. We just draw trumps and then plan to play all our diamonds. And now we just play diamonds and hope diamonds don't break really badly. They don't. So all our other cards are going on the diamonds, which just shows the beauty of having a second suit like this diamond suit. Now, we're making 12 tricks. So many people in the field bid and made 4 spades. Nobody bid 6, which is not cold, because if we were in 6, they might take their 2 aces. But many people made 12 tricks. So the question is, let's look at the East hand. And I think this is a very good bid by East. Their partner opened a heart. My partner overcalled 1 spade, and East made a preemptive jump to 3 hearts, showing a hand just about as bad as this hand. 4 trumps and only a queen and a jack. I don't think many people would have the courage to jump to 3 hearts on a hand like this, but it's exactly what was required, because it gave me such a problem about what to do next. And I made a bid which caused confusion with our partnership, and we didn't bid game when we could have made 12 tricks the way the cards were played. So a preemptive bid over an overcall in partner's suit is a great way to go. If East had a good hand over 1 spade, I would recommend that they Q raised. In other words, they bid 2 spades to say to partner, I've got a very good hand with hearts, not a very bad hand with hearts. And that would be 10 or more points. So over to you. What do you think of this hand?